Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome to a Isle of Man set. This one I've had hanging around for a little while and I've just never got around to filming it. It's 4 coins taken from 2018, which was the 65th anniversary of Queen Elizabeth II's enthronement. So if we take each coin in turn. Now I don't know if they were issued in a particular order or not, but here goes. We have on the front, we have a portrait of Her Majesty the Queen. I can't see any markings as to who was the designer. It might well be Isle of Man occasionally has the Pobjoy Mint look after their coins for them, the design and distribution of their coins. So this could be a Pobjoy Mint. Sorry about that. A Pobjoy Mint Queen's portrait. On the reverse of the coin we have the state crown, which I believe is called the Edward crown or St Edward crown. A beautiful coin actually. It's very special in that respect. I'm trying to just get these. I'm trying to get these others out. Oh. Second. Oh, come on. Number 3. And number 4. Right, so that's the first one of this set. St Edward crown. The second one I'm going to show you is the orb which the monarch holds during the ceremony, or as part of the ceremony. Now the obverse is the same in all 4 of them, so I won't be showing the obverse for all 4 coins, just the reverse. I believe this is a circulating set, which is probably why I didn't show them as a BU set earlier on, after they were. This one is part of the coronation oath. Please pause that and read it at your leisure. It's part of what the monarch says during the coronation oath. And the final coin is the royal carriage, the state coach, which is used by the monarchs certainly returning from the coronation itself. Now, one of the reasons why I believe that these are a part of circulating coins is the fact that I have a second crown. So I think I've done this set as a BU set before. There we go, there's 2 of them. There's the 3rd one. And the 4th one. So those are the 4 coins together. What do you think of them? Would you want them as part of your collection? Now, I believe these to be brilliantly, not brilliantly uncirculated, but circulating coins that were taken out of circulation and sold on eBay. I do have an uncirculated set somewhere in my collection, However, I got these as well to add into a album or to complete my date run sort of thing for the Isle of Man coins. Well, I do hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me the thumbs up. If you've not yet done so, could you also please think about subscribing? Both the likes and the subscriptions are free, they don't cost you anything. And I'm looking to improve my channel again this year and going into next year. I hit a target of 100 that I set myself privately, well, set myself this year. I was hoping to have 100 by Christmas. I now have, it's now the first week of November and I do have something like 110 subs. So I'm extremely grateful and thank you all who have subscribed. As I say, I'm going to set another target in the new year that I'm going to try and get a certain number before the end of 2023. I want my channel to grow. I enjoy doing this and I want my channel to go and to have you all around viewing my coin related stuff, my banknote stuff, my Meditaria, and also I do some collectibles as well. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully, as a minimum, I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you want to watch. And in the meantime, for those of you having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. For those buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, thank you all for watching the video, and until we meet up again in a future video, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-ra now.